What is up, guys? This is FNH with a brand new video to talk about how to fix this error that you are seeing on the screen. There was a problem running this tool. So this is a Windows error that comes up. It could be like, this is to fix like all of these specific errors that can possibly happen on Windows, and I'm going to walk you through 3 steps on how to do it. I'll leave these notes in the description below, and I'll leave it as a comment so you guys like pinned so you guys can easily go from there. So let's get right into it. So these are my 3 steps on what you can do. The first one should essentially work. It's one of the easiest one. I'll leave this, like I said, it'll be part of the notes, but if you go to PC, just go to this PC, and it's essentially in your C drive, just copy paste it in the search bar on the top, and essentially this page will pop up. Everything within here you can delete, and this again should be one of the ways to fix said problem, and would be able to like fix your problem if this with this first step. Again, this is probably the easiest one. The second one is also fairly easy. Same thing, go to your C drive, so you can either click back here to go to your C drive, and if you don't have it enabled, I already do have it enabled, but click view, click options, and click on view to essentially show your hidden files. I already have them, and in here, since mine are already deleted and it doesn't show up, it's the folders called Windows $windows.bt -bt or $windows.ws. They'll show up over here. They'll be similar to these. They'll be like holographic. You can kind of see through them. They'll be lighter than the usual ones, and you can essentially delete those as well. They're temporary files. They will also make the problem go away. The final thing you can do, which is a little bit longer and tougher per se to do, but it's a bit annoying, but I'll just show you exactly how to do. Again, the notes will have it on, oops, sorry about that. The notes will have it on exactly how and what to do on like basically all the steps. So you need to find all these different things that I'm talking about. So first one is background intelligent. Let's go for it. This one, double click it and have it on automatic delete start. The next one is IKEEXT. So let's look for it. See if I have it. Oh, this is fine. I believe this is, yep, this is fine. Have it on automatic, just like that. It can vary per file. Mine is called that. I know you can see. Basically, this is it. It changed. Well, something else, I guess. But yeah, keep that one as well to automatic. The next one is server. So let's go to. Oops, sorry. Let's go to server. Server right here. Double click. Same thing. Automatic. The next one is Windows Update. Trying to look for it. It should be here somewhere. This one to manual and have it saved. And then the last one, nope, there's 2 more after that. There's time. Have that to automatic. So when you get a chance, do change this. You can, obviously it's running, but change it to automatic. And the final one is workstation. So let's go to workstation. And this one to automatic as well. So yeah, like these 3 steps would make your problem essentially go away. There's, like I said, I'll leave these links in the description below for you guys to easily follow in, so you can easily, go in and do what you need to do from there. So yeah, overall, I do hope you guys found this video helpful and informative. If you did, definitely give it a thumbs up. It helps a lot. If you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell. FNH out. Peace.